Hello, this is Richard Music. Today I'll be walking you through your free web analysis to show you how making a few changes to our website can turn it into a lead generation machine and really generate some revenue for our business each month. Now, to do this, we first have to understand how people are finding landscaping businesses in your area. Most people will simply go onto Google, type in whatever service or industry they want plus the city name, and then they'll pick from the first few results down below. Now, as you'll notice, there are a monthly search volume of 480 per month for roofing in Long Island. Now, if we can get our business in the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 480 possible customers will see our business first before looking at our competition. However, in order to do this, we'll need to do a few things first. So let's start with the Google Maps since we're already on the search engine results page. Now, this area here is called Google My Business, the Google Map Pack, and is it's a vital part of generating traffic for our business. And one of the factors that it looks for when selecting where a company will rank is called citations. Now, citations are all the locations where your business name, address, and phone number are listed online. Kind of like, Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book, and so on. Another area that they look at is the star ratings. So it's vital that you get those 5-star reviews. Now, currently, your top two competitors have 23 and 29 citations. Now, we'll want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition, so I recommend doubling that biggest number. So we'll need 58 citations in order to really move up in the map pack. But it doesn't stop there. We also have the organic search results down below in this area here. Now, these results, they look for a few different things than the map pack. Now, let's take a look at our competition, their website, and let's see how they're ranking on the first page. Now, what you'll notice is that we're looking at uh, JR Long Roofing or Portland Roofing Company. And you'll notice that they've built out a little bit of content on their site, and this content is filled with 278 organic keywords and phrases. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, where we operate from, and this is going to help them to put us in searches related to our business, such as the high volume business related searches like landscaping. So we'll want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific while remaining very content rich. I recommend a minimum of 750 to 1,000 words on the homepage. But content and keywords are not all that is needed. We also need backlinks to really push us up in the rankings. As content and keywords, they lay the foundation. Backlinks help give us that big push. So let's take a look at our competitors' backlink structure. And you'll notice that they have built out 32 backlinks to their website, and that's really generated some power for them while bringing in an estimated 654 searches each and every month. And this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as content and keywords, as well as their backlink structure. To capture this business ourselves, we simply need to go bigger and better than our competitors in every aspect, including backlinks. So I'd recommend 64 backlinks along with our citations and content to dominate that first page ranking. This concludes my free web analysis, leaving us with the question: what would 654. Increased traffic to your website due for your company each month. Thanks for taking the time to watch. We'll follow up to get your thoughts on the analysis and to determine how useful this information has been to you. I'm wishing you a wonderful day, and we'll be talking to you soon.